Alrighty, today we're going to talk about reflections and translations. Alright, we're going to ask ourselves, what is a reflection? Well, a reflection is a mirror image produced by flipping a figure over a line. So once again, what is a reflection? A reflection is a mirror image produced by flipping a figure over a line. A reflection is a mirror image produced by flipping a figure over a line. All right, now we ask ourselves, what is a line of reflection? A line of reflection is basically the line, the figure, is flipped over. The line, a figure is flipped over. Sorry, I ran out of room here. What is a line of reflection? A line of reflection is the line, the figure is flipped over. All right, you are going to need a pen, a marker, and a pencil to work out this next one. A pen, a marker, and a pencil to work out the examples we're going to do right now. A pen to draw the original figure in, a marker to use as the line of reflection, and a pencil in which to use the new image. All right. For number 1, this is going to be the first one we're going to do today. I need you to create a triangle with points of A that are at coordinates 2, 2, points B that is at coordinates 6, 2, point C which is at coordinates 4, 7. All right, we're going to go ahead and plot those points. Plot those points. All right, so you should have gotten A to be right here. A. You should have gotten B, which is over 6, because remember the X is listed first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then up 2. So that you got B right here. And then you should have gotten C right here. And you should have been able to form triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is in quadrant 1. You should have formed triangle ABC in quadrant 1. And please make sure that you are in fact labeling the letters A, B, C. Okay, so now we're going to talk about a reflection. And we're going to reflect across the x-axis. So we're going to reflect across the x-axis. Now when reflecting a figure, the new coordinates are called new A, new B, new C. And the way you record these is new A with a little tis to the side. New A. The way you record new B is the letter B with a little tis to the side. The way you record coordinate C is new C with a little tis to the side. And in those, we will be writing our new coordinates. Okay, we're going to be writing our new coordinates in those. All right, so let's figure out what new A is. Well, when you reflect a figure, you simply count how far away it is from the reflective line. Well, here's my line. A is 1, 2 away. So my reflected one is going to be 1, 2 away. So right here, and I'm going to do this in red pen just so y'all can see it, is new A. This dot right there is new A. Because it was 2 away, then 2 away. So new A's coordinates should be 2, comma, negative 2. So new A's coordinates are 2, comma, negative 2. All right, let's look at B now. B is 1, 2 away from the line. So our other B is 1, 2 away from the line. So this is our new B. New B. So that coordinate we get is 6, negative 2. 6, negative 2. So we have plotted new A, reflecting it across the x-axis. New B, reflecting it across the x-axis. Now we need to plot new C. So if you will, please go ahead and see if you can count how far away C is from the reflected purple x-axis line. So see if you can count that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 away. So now that we know it's 7 away, we've got to go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your new C should be right there. New C should have coordinates 4, negative 7. So that you create a newly reflected triangle ABC. Reflected across the x-axis. Reflected across the x-axis. All right. So now, let's try one on our own. So moving over here, I want you to go ahead and see if you can plot the following points. We're going to plot these points on this graph. Oops, I don't want you to see the answer. To form triangle ABC. So on this graph over here, plot these points. A is 1, 8. B is 7, 9. C is 4, 4. So see if you can plot those points for me. Go ahead and plot those points. Plot those points. A being 1/8 should be right about here. It's where you should have gotten your A. B being 7/9 should have been right around here. It's where you should have gotten your B. And C being 4, 4 should have been right around here. Should have been your C. So that you form the following triangle. So that you form the following triangle. A, B, C. Now, reflect it over the x-axis or the horizontal axis. We're going to reflect it over the x-axis or the horizontal axis, which is right here. From left to right, our horizontal axis. And once you've done that, see if you can fill out what new A, new B, and new C would look like. Reflect it over the x-axis and see if you can figure out what new A, new B, and new C would look like. Remember, simply count the distance A is from the line. Okay, so A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 away. So we have new A. New A. New A should have been 1, -8. New A should have been 1, -8. Which brings us to B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 away is new B. New B should be right about here, which gives you the coordinates not those coordinates. Which gives you the coordinates 7, -9. 7, -9. Which then brings us to C. 1, 2, 3, 4 away. It's only 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4 away. New C. New C. And new C will give you the coordinates 4, -4. 4, -4. So that your nice, new, pretty, reflected triangle, when you connect your dots, will look like this somewhat. A nice, pretty, reflected triangle. All right, for all my geniuses out there, see?